How to update your email address on H&R Block. Keeping your contact information up to date is crucial for receiving important communications regarding your tax filings. H&R Block offers a straightforward process for updating your email address, ensuring you to stay informed throughout the process of tax filing. So let's get started. Begin by accessing the H&R Block website and navigating to the page dedicated to updating your email address. Once on the web page, familiarize yourself with the basic information provided regarding the process of updating an email address. Sign in to your H&R Block online account using your username and password. If you do not yet have an account, you will need to create one to access the email update feature. Once logged in, navigate to the overview screen or account settings section on your email account. Select the option to update your email address. Enter your new email address into the designated field. Double check for your accuracy in the email address field. Then after entering your new email address, review for any additional prompts or instructions provided on the screen. Once you have reviewed and confirmed the changes, save your updated email address and look for Save or Update button. After saving your changes, you may receive a confirmation message indicating that your email address has been successfully updated. And this is how you update your email address on H&R Block. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.